Namaskar friends, welcome to another episode of our computer tutorial. Hari Singh and Malti are taking the computer learning very seriously and are practicing hard. Were you also able to rehearse and practice what you learned?
In our previous episode, we got an introduction to computers, where we learnt what is a computer. We also learnt about the functional components of computer, such as hardware and software, and memory storage.
We are able to switch on the computer ourselves and even learnt about the desktop.
And then Lalit helped me to file the report online with the help of internet.
Basic application of computer.
Application program, also known as applications, is computer software designed to help you perform single or multiple tasks. Application softwares fall under 5 major categories. Word processor, which is used to manipulate written text, most commonly used in MS Word. A database is used to store, track and summarize information like mailing lists and address of clients. Spreadsheet manipulates data in form of numbers and saves time while calculating. With this, you can prepare projection budgets and salary expenses. Now let's explore the components of Word. This blank space in the work area is where you will start typing. We start with title bar. Name of software, MS Word is displayed. Menu bar contains file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, table, window and help menus. Standard toolbar contains icons for shortcuts to menu commands. Formatting toolbar contains buttons to change the text appearance. I think you should practice this yourself. I will come tomorrow and tell you some more features also.
Thank you.
Okay Malti, let's review and practice what Lalit has taught us about MS Word.
After we have opened a new document, let's go to File, save the document and name the document.
And this is our workspace.
If at any point we need to check the spelling, we can start the spelling checker. Move the insertion point to the top of the document. Select spelling and grammar from the tools menu.
Very good. I am pleased to see that both of you are practicing. So you were able to do it yesterday.
To find a word or a text, do we have to scroll manually to find it?
Probably few people are familiar with and even few use the advanced feature of Microsoft Word's Find and Replace function. Replacement can also be performed in the interactive mode by first pressing the Find button and upon reaching the desired text, deciding whether replacement is required.
Inserting pictures.
Go to the Insert menu, select Picture on the sub-menu, select from File. The picture is inserted at the location of the cursor. We can move our picture by simply clicking and holding the picture. The mouse pointer will become a 4-pointed arrow and we can drag the picture to a desired location and release the mouse. Drag the pointer away from the picture to make it larger or toward the picture to make it smaller.
The text and picture are not aligned. What if we want the text and picture at a specific location?
By default, text does not wrap around a picture. To get text to wrap around a graphic, right-click on the picture to get the shortcut menu. Choose Format Picture from the list displayed, select the Layout tab, choose the style of wrap that you like and click OK.
Lalit, today I have come here to learn how to prepare an income statement.
Your wish will be fulfilled, sir. For this, I need to tell you how to create a spreadsheet in MS Excel.
Getting started with spreadsheet.
Excel is an electronic spreadsheet that runs on a personal computer. You can use it to organize your data into rows and columns. You can also use it to perform mathematical calculations quickly. To begin, open Microsoft Excel. The screen shown here will appear. You can use the numeric keypad to enter numbers as if you were using a calculator. The Home key allows you to go to cell A1.
Highlighting the cells.
To highlight cells, place the cursor in cell A1. Press F8 key. Note that the EXT appears on the status bar in the lower right corner of the screen. You are in extend mode. Cell should now be highlighted. Type 25. Enter in A2 30. Press enter. In A3 cell type equals, followed by left click on cell A1. Type plus and click on A2 and press enter. Note that cell A1 has been added to cell A2 and the result is 55 as shown in cell A3. Similarly, you can do multiple additions. Entering a formula A10 plus B10 plus C10 would give the result of the sum of entries in D10.
Microsoft PowerPoint.
PowerPoint is a powerful presentation program from Microsoft. It gives you the facility to create stunning presentations from video or PowerPoint animations.
Is it similar to projector?
Yes, sort of. PowerPoint presentations run just like the slideshows of the old, only they are broadcast through a computer instead of a slide projector. Activate the PowerPoint through the Windows Start menu and click on PowerPoint icon. A new slide screen shows you slide layout options. A new presentation based on a blank presentation opens for you to start work on.
Getting started.
Let us start from slide 1. You will notice in the lower left corner of the screen, it indicates slide 1 of 1. Point cursor in the click to add title box and click. Enter the title, Progress of Development Work.
Creating a new slide.
In the top button bar, you will see a new slide button. Click on it to create a next slide. For flexibility, let us choose the blank presentation. Text box. Left click with the mouse and drag out the text box. Select the word or sentence in the same way as you did in MS Word. The mini toolbar contains some of the more commonly used formatting commands.
Let us know about Format Painter tool. This tool picks up any formatting applied to the existing text. Inserting word art.
In the drawing bar, there's an icon A, a blue A. When you pass your cursor over this button, the following word art gallery menu screen will appear.
Inserting tables.
On the Insert menu, click the table. Under Number of Columns, click the up arrow to 4. Under Number of Rows, click the up arrow. Add the data similarly as you did in MS Word. If you desire to end the show, tap the Escape key.
Thanks a lot.
Okay, I'll take your leave.
This was the learning story of Hari Singh and Malti. You can also be like them. Today we learned about MS Word, Excel and PowerPoint presentations. I am sure with this tutorial, you would also be able to transform written text into attractive, systematic and easy to read text. You would also be able to create a balance sheet and create stunning presentations. Just follow the simple instructions given in this tutorial and practice as much as you can. Goodbye.